In this video, we will demonstrate how to replace the seals in a Dixon V-ring swivel joint. The pressure seal and the dust seal are wear items and must be changed periodically in order to maintain optimal performance. To perform this seal replacement on Dixon V-ring swivel joints, you will need the following: flathead screwdriver, 5/16 wrench or socket for the grease plug, application appropriate grease. A magnetic pick is useful for helping remove carbon steel ball bearings. Something to catch small parts like ball bearings is highly recommended. As for the grease you will need, it depends on the application. The standard grease in most Dixon swivel joints is a quality lithium grease common in many industrial applications. If you are unsure, please consult with our customer service team. The part number etched on your swivel joint will help us determine what grease that unit left our factory with. As always, Dixon recommends that you follow your company's safety and PPE guidelines for performing repairs like this. The V-ring swivel joint seal replacement requires the unit to be fully removed from service for disassembly and reassembly. Before you remove from service and start the disassembly of the swivel joint, it is a good idea to verify that your seal replacement kit is labeled with the correct seal materials for your application and that the necessary parts are included. For V-ring swivel joints, the seal replacement kit should include the following items: one replacement grease fitting in case one is lost or broken. While many swivels include 2 grease fittings, it is typically not necessary to replace both. If extra grease fittings are needed, please contact the Dixon customer service team. 2 replacement ball bearing retaining screws. 10 extra ball bearings in case a few will roll away during this repair. The V-ring swivel joint seal replacement procedure is as follows. Step 1. Remove the ball retainer screws. Rotate the sleeve, catching the balls as they fall out. When all the balls have been removed, the body and sleeve can be separated. Discard old seals and thoroughly clean the body and sleeve. Save the PTFE seal retainer and spring retainer along with the small stainless steel springs to be used for the reassembly. This is a good time to inspect the ball races and ball bearings for abnormal wear or damage. Step 2. Lubricate the body and seals with grease. Step 3. Place the assembled spring retainer unit, spring end first, into the body. Place the set of V-rings onto the spring retainer. Be sure the V-rings are installed with the seal lips facing towards the retainer. Step 4. Set the dust seal into the O-ring groove on the sleeve. Place the seal retainer on the sleeve with the groove end facing the V-rings. Step 5. Insert the sleeve into the body, compressing the swivel joint together until the ball races of the body and sleeve are in alignment. Do not rotate either unit while compressing together. Care should be taken to avoid pinching or scoring of the V-rings. Once the ball races are aligned, begin inserting the ball bearings into the raceway holes. You can now rotate the sleeve slowly as you continue to insert the balls. To make space for the balls, insert a screwdriver into the raceway while continuing to rotate the sleeve in one direction. Be careful not to damage the threads. This will cause the balls to jam up, making room for the remaining balls. Now reverse the rotation of the sleeve and insert the remaining balls. Step 6. Reinstall the ball retaining set screws until tight. If this interferes with the smooth rotation of the ball bearings, then back off an eighth to a quarter turn. A thread locking sealant is recommended to prevent the screws from backing off while in service. Pressure testing is recommended prior to returning the swivel joints to service. Keep in mind that Dixon does not recommend mixing V-ring swivel joint bodies and sleeves once they've been in service. If you are working on more than one unit at a time, keep the sets together as originally assembled. This will ensure the best fit upon reassembly and optimal performance once returned into service. If needed, and if possible, this may be a good time to clean and repaint any carbon steel or malleable iron parts to help protect them from the elements. Once the V-ring swivel joint seal replacement and testing has been completed, the unit can be put back into service. If you have any questions or any concerns along the way during your rebuild, do not hesitate to contact our Dixon customer service team. We're here to assist you.